A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to GK Reasoning class. So, take out your reasoning book, open page number 75, write down today's date, that is 11/1/21. Okay? So, we have already done till question number 6 and have given homework also. I hope you all have done. So, shall we start? Okay. Look at the question number 7. Question number 7. Look what question number 7 is saying. If today is Wednesday and Garima's birthday is on 3rd day from today, then on which day will she celebrate her birthday? Look, first of all, what you have to do? Write down today. What question is saying? Question is saying that today is Wednesday. So write down Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And Garima's birthday is on 3rd day from today. और गरिमा का बर्थडे कब है? आज से 3rd डे पे. तो आज से 3rd डे कौन सा होगा? Today is Wednesday. Take out 3 fingers and start counting after Wednesday. Thursday, Friday and Saturday. It means Garima will celebrate her birthday on Saturday. Write it down. Third day from Wednesday day will be Saturday. Okay. It means what will be the correct answer? A. A is the correct answer. Understood? Now come to question number 8. Look what question number 8 is saying. If today is Friday, आज क्या है? Friday. Then what day will be 8th day from today? Again, same way write down today. Today is what? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. And 8th day from Friday will be what? Now look what you have to do to solve this question. And now take out your 8th finger like this. Everyone has done? Now what question is saying? 8th day, अगर आज फ्राइडे है तो 8th डे कौन सा होगा? अब आप बता सकते हो? Count it from this finger only. Can you tell? Look, you have taken out the 8th finger. Now what is written? Friday. Okay, now start counting. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So what will be the 8th day from today? आज क्या है? आज Friday है ना? तो Friday के बाद से आप काउंट करना स्टार्ट करो. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. It means 8th day will again Friday. Okay. Friday. Understood everyone? It means what is the correct answer? A. A again is correct. Look. How you have to know that किस month में 31st days होते हैं? Do like this. Everyone do like this. Okay. Now first of all write down month having 31 days. Now do like this. Everyone is able to see this. What is this? This one is 31. ये क्या होता है? हमारी ये जो है इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? 31. एंड जो डाउनवर्ड्स है वो क्या होंगे? 30. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. दिस इज 31. सो जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. आपके जो भी मंथ इस पॉइंट पे आएंगे, इस 4 पॉइंट पे आएंगे अप वाले में, वो उसमें कितने डेज होंगे? 31. एंड अगर जो स्मॉल वाले में आएंगे उसमें 30 डेज होंगे. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. जो भी इसमें मंथ आ रहे हैं उसको लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? लिखिए जल्दी से. जनवरी, मार्च, मई, जुलाई, अगस्त, अक्टूबर एंड दिसंबर. इट मीन्स हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means 7 months is having 31 days. So again option A is correct. Option A is correct. Understood? Now question number 10 is for homework. Okay, mention in front of the question homework. Now come to question number 11. If yesterday was Friday and the day after tomorrow will be dash. Now to find out this type of question, what you have to do? First of all, write it down. Yesterday, yesterday, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay. Now look, yesterday, today, tomorrow. आपको इस तरीके से, अगर आपने इस तरीके से मेंशन किया, आपको आसानी से आंसर मिल जाएगा. So question is saying that the day after tomorrow will be, our answer is day after tomorrow will be Monday. Monday is the correct option. It means option D is correct. Option D is correct. Understood everyone? Copy it down fast. Now look, question number 12 and 13 is for homework. Question number 12 and 13 is for homework. Okay. Now I am going to erase this. Look, now question number 14. If Latika takes a leave on 17th July and come only on odd number of days in July, then how many days does she not work? Assume that every Sunday is a holiday. Okay. So come to question number 14. Look, one calendar is given. Yes or no? Yes. So question is in this question it is saying that on 17th of July Latika is on leave. Yes or no? Yes. And comes only on odd number of days. And comes only on odd number of days. Then how many days does she not work? अब आपको बताना है कि उसने कितने दिन वर्क नहीं किया. Okay, now look. Latika is on leave on 17th of July. 17th of July. Now बेटा आपको क्या करना है, 17th of July को सर्कल करिए कैलेंडर में. 17 जुलाई को सर्कल करिए लाइक दिस. ओके. नाउ लुक, अब क्वेश्चन कह रहा है वो सिर्फ ऑड डेज चाहती थी. ओके, ओनली ऑड डेज. सो अब वो कब नहीं गई है ये आपको बताना है. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1, इट मीन्स 1 इज ऑड, इट मीन्स वो 1 को गई होगी, 2 को नहीं गई. ओके, 2, then 3 गई, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 13 is already Sunday. Okay, 13 is already Sunday. 14, 16, now 17. She has taken leave. Okay, again 18, Now 27 Sunday, 28 even, okay, and 30. It means लतिका सिर्फ ऑड डेज पे गई है एंड इवन डेज में नहीं गई है. सो टोटल हाउ मेनी वीक्स आर देयर? कितने दिन शी इज ऑन लीव. लुक हाउ मेनी हॉलीडेज आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Okay, it means 18 days she has not worked. Yes or no? days. It means what will be the correct option? B. Okay, B is correct option. Now question number 15 is for homework. Question number 15 is for homework. Come to question number 16. There were 4 ladies at a party. Each lady shook hands once with each other. How many handshakes take place? How many ladies are there? 4 ladies. And they shook their hand. So you have to tell that total how many handshakes took places. Everyone has read it out. Now look, what you have to do, you have to name that ladies. Okay, सबसे पहले हम लोग ladies के name decide करेंगे. L1, L2, L3, L4. These are the 4 ladies. Now look, these 4 ladies shook their hand with, look, L1 with L2. Okay, L1 with L3. Now L1 with L4. Okay, L1 lady ने L2 से हैंडशेक किया, L3 से and L4. Now lady 2 handshakes with L3. Lady 2 shakes hand with L4. Okay. Now lady 3rd. Lady 3rd shakes hand with lady 4. Okay, it means how many combinations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means total 6 handshakes is there. So which is the correct answer? Which one is correct answer, beta? 6. 6 handshakes took place. It means correct option is C. Okay. Now come to question number 17. Read out the question number 17. If Mohit takes a leave on all odd number of days in July, then how many days does he work? Assume that every Sunday is a holiday. Again, there is one calendar is given. Okay, and question is saying that Mohit takes a leave on all number of days. मोहित ने जितने भी ऑड नंबर्स डेज है ना उसमें क्या किया है, लीव लिया है. अब आपको बताना है कि उसने कितने दिन वर्क किया है. इट मीन्स अगर ऑड नंबर डेज में लीव ली है तो फिर इवन नंबर डेज में उसने वर्क किया होगा. यस और नो? यस. सो काउंटेड ऑल दी इवन नंबर एंड Sundays already are holiday. So So look, he worked, Mohit worked on July. मोहित वर्क ऑन जुलाई. आपको बताना है मोहित ने किस किस डे में वर्क किया है. 2, 4, 6. Look, 6 is even number now, but 6 is Sunday. It means it is a holiday. Now 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now again 20 is a even number but Sunday. It means holiday. 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. It means total how many days Mohit works? Mohit works 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Mohit worked total 13 days on July. Okay, it means B option is correct. Understood everyone? Now question number 18 is also for homework. Okay, it means today we have done till question number 18 and from tomorrow we will starting with our question number 19. Question number 10, 12, 13, 15, 18 is for homework. Don't forget to do your homework. Okay, and if you face any kind of problem, kindly ask me in the doubt section. Okay, now copy it fast. Everyone has done? Okay, thank you.